Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th and subject looking around environmental studies. In the chapter number 18, water from different places. Main 6, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Number 1. What do you think Cripple's family must be doing for their own drinking water? Answer is Cripple's family should boil water and make it drinkable, or they should make water germ free by adding chlorine or potassium permanganate tablets to it before drinking it. Question number 2. The guest said he did not take cold drinks. Why do you think he said this? Answer is cold drinks are harmful to health. They harm our stomach and intestine. So the guest refused to have a cold drink. See the next page. See the question number 3. Which disease can people suffer from by drinking contaminated water? Answer is people can suffer from disease like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, jaundice and skin disease by drinking contaminated water. Question number 4. Anju asked that all the water that was filled the previous day should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of things? Answer is yes, the water could have been used to clean the toilets or to water plants in the garden. See the question number 5. In what way did Anju plan to clean the water? Answer is Anju decided to clean the water by boiling it and then cooling and straining it before using it. See the question number 6. What should be done to make dirt or dust in dirty water settle down quickly? Answer is some alum should be kept in a small bundle which is kept in a dirty water to make dirt or dust settle down quickly. Question number 7. From where do we get drinking water? Answer is we get drinking water from wells, bore wells, lakes or rivers. Question number 8. Where are water parks located in Gujarat? Answer is there are water parks named Swapna Shrushti near Mehsana and Sankush Water Park near Mahudi in Gujarat. Question number 9. From which jobs is the water used more in your house? Answer is in our house more water is used in bathing, washing clothes and utensils and in cleaning the house. Question number 10. In what is water stored in your house? Answer is in our house water is stored in a matka and in a bucket in an underground tank as well as overhead tank built on the terrace of the house. Main 7. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How does contaminated or dirty water harm our body? Answer is contaminated or dirty water contains trash, dust and germs. Drinking such water can cause waterborne disease like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea and skin disease. Now see the next page. Thus, we can fall sick if we drink contaminated or dirty water. See the question number 2. Have you ever been told not to play in water? Why? Answer is yes. I said no to play in the dirty water that fills up the potholes on the roads during the rainy season. I refused because if hands are not washed properly after playing in such dirty water, one can easily suffer from waterborne disease like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea or skin disease. See the question number 3. Have you seen wastage of water in your area? Discuss. Answer is yes, there are many people in our society who waste water by sprinkling it in their yards to stop dust from rising and also during the summer season to make the surroundings cool. Apart from this, when water is allowed to flow from taps while washing utensil or clothes, a lot of water is wasted. See the question number 4. The water park had a lot of water to play in, but the nearby village people did not have water even to drink. Think about it and discuss. Answer is both these facts are realities. Such such a thing should not happen because such a lot of water is wasted in a water park just for sake of entertainment and fun, and people in nearby villages are desperate for even a little bit of water is not right. The water park should be given permission to remain open only on certain days during the week. Question number 5. Why was Anju worried when she read the newspaper? Answer is the newspaper said the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. Many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting because of this. So Anju was worried about purifying the water. Now see the next page. See the question number 6. Where Sumit lives, everyone has to stand in a queue to fill water from the common public tap. In Anju's house, water comes all day in the tap. Why is this? Answer is water is available only through the common public tap. The time of water availability is limited. There is a huge tank on the terrace of the apartment building. This tank is filled up every day. So each flat has water all day long. So Anju's house also has water all day long. Question number 7. What can be done to keep the toilets clean? Answer is toilets should be cleaned regularly. Phenyl or acid should be used to keep them even cleaner. The flush should be used after using the toilet. All this will keep the toilets clean. Question number 8. What care will you take when you suffer from excessive diarrhea, vomiting? Answer is when one suffers from excessive diarrhea, vomiting, one loses a lot of water from the body. This can be harmful. To balance this decreased level, one should drink a lot of water. One should add a little salt and sugar to the water. One should also eat light food. See main 8, give reason. In that question number 1, we should take water with a ladle from a matka. Answer is if water is taken with a glass from a matka, our fingers also get wet when we immerse the glass or jug. The grime and dust on our fingers into the water and contaminates it. When one drinks this unclean water, one can fall sick. Question number 2. One should boil water before drinking it in case of an epidemic. Answer is when there is an epidemic, it is highly possible that there are germs in the water. So, water must be boiled, cooled, and filtered before drinking. There is no possibility of falling sick when one drinks such water. Question number 3. Pesticides should be sprinkled in bathrooms and toilets. Answer is sprinkling pesticides kills disease causing germs. This keeps bathrooms and toilets germ free. So pesticides should be sprinkled in bathrooms and toilet. Question number 4. In villages, waters of lakes and rivers does not remain clean. Answer is villagers wash clothes and utensils, bathe their cattle on the banks of lakes and river, or use it as toilets and throw a lot of garbage into lakes and rivers. So, water of lakes and rivers does not remain clean in villages. See the next page. Hot's question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which disease can we suffer from on being bitten by a mosquito that grows in dirty water? A. Diarrhea, B. Vomiting, C. Jaundice, and D. Malaria. Answer is option A. Diarrhea. Number 2. How should we use water? A. A lot, B. Anyhow. C. Carefully. D. As much as possible. Answer is option C. Carefully. Number 3. After using the toilet, option A. We must flush it. B. We must wash our hands and feet with a soap. C. We should clean the toilet. And D. All the above three things should be done. Means option A also, B also and C. So option D. All the above three things should be done. This is your answer. And here your chapter is completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.